Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on updating your Samsung Galaxy tablet. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Settings app on your tablet. Scroll down to and tap on Software Update. Then tap Download and Install. Your tablet will now check for updates. Mine is up to date, so I can't update it, but if yours is not up to date, it will tell you here, and you will have the option to update it. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Galaxy Tab tips and tricks.